You need to watch this if you think birds are boring. Spoiler, they're not. This little guy's a woodpecker and he's got a big job. With that beak, he's like the ultimate tree carpenter, making perfect holes in trees. Why, you ask? Well, it's his cozy home and a buffet all in one. Talk about efficient. Woodpeckers have super strong neck muscles and a sponge-like skull to absorb all that pecking impact. They can peck up to 20 times per second. That's faster than your internet connection, right? And get this, each peck sounds like music in the forest. It's nature's percussion section. So next time you hear that rhythmic tapping in the woods, you'll know it's our friendly neighborhood woodpecker hard at work. Keep on drumming, little dude.